How will you make yours?
Hey, what's up, guys? Seagulls, stop it now. Bad lip reading. It says.
Penny for your thoughts.
I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all in my pants.
It's nothing a little music can't help. Rockin' now, rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling. But the seagulls poke at my head, not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now. Said seagulls gonna come, put me in a coconut, and they did, and me going like, nothing I could do but yell when these birds attacked me. When I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids started laughing, and then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Where'd it come from? Run, I can be a backpack by you. Run, jump and stop. Put me down. I love to groove and boogie. Yeah.
Great.
Show you some dance moves.
No, I don't want you to.
If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could about run those birds.
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab my beater.
Stop it, please.
Come on, man, quit that banging.
Hey, what's that stank?
Put a fish in our basket.
Oh yeah, I forgot I did that.
Owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds are back your face. Run. I can be a backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be a backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift. Rocks with your special gift. Run, jump, now breathe. That's good. Like that. Like that. One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over. Underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder. While you're lying there, screaming, come help me, please. The seagull, both your knees. Stop it now.
Yeah, whatever, you're sort of pitchy.
Didn't like it?
Listen, man, I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep. Fall asleep.
Oh man, that was good. That was so funny. I got an eyelash stuck in my eye. Oh, what did you guys think? That was hilarious. I might have to look into this. This bad lip reading is pretty funny. Love you guys.